The Hass avocado process begins with an initial program for Hass avocado. The truck arrives at the plant for a quality verification. The truck must be completely cleaned and have the best hygiene conditions. Shortly after the fruit is unloaded and the fruit is set on pallets and to zest of 20 kilograms, it's passed through a standard verification system, where the fruit should only have 23 to 29% of dry material, according to the client's request. The selection, classification, and packaging process is started, where each fruit is passed through a selection machine and labeled for traceability. Moving on to the launching area, where the fruit is ensured to be marked with all its conditions and certifications. This to meet the requirement of the clients. During the pre-classification process, it is ensured that each fruit can be admitted and presents the least type of damages, so it can move along to be washed and scrubbed to pass selection area. The selection and classification of the fruit is where they are divided and organized automatically by size and caliber. There are operators at the end of the process waiting for the fruit so they can ensure that qualities are set and posterior packed into zest of 4 kilograms or 6 kilograms, according to the requirements. Other plant operators take each box and stack them onto the pallets. The fruit is then packed to the cool room to preserve good quality until it's time to be exported.